Hello, my people. How are you? Hope you guys are fine. So, as you are joining, please share the live stream to all your friends. Everybody, share the live stream to them. This live stream is very, very important, or what they very important to me, and I want you all to please join. Let's put an end to all this once and for all. So, I'm coming. Let me share to my other page. So, guys, invite your friends. Let them come because now we may want to live video, but this particular one I need to do. I already switched to Easy Concept. I need to do one. So, guys, invite your friends. Invite your friends. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get go on. Let's talk one on one. So, guys, many of you now where they follow me. No, not really know what's in they happen. Let more people come in so that I can start. I don't want to repeat myself. I'm going to make this video as short as possible because I'm take need to allow a live video, but you can't take it anymore. And for Frank Omozo, Frank, I will take legal actions against you. You did the same country with me for Italy. If I not do you, not call me Easy. All those things when you talk for your live video, you must call repeat them before police. Can't tell them how I take thief picking, how I take by my friend. You talk out of point. But I'm not here for that. I'm here to come and analyze your yesterday video. So guys, Mona, sit down, relax with me, because these people they are when you say Frank Omozo magba. Money you was so dog. Oh God, your mass on me. We so me besha. When what that gripa said it up by way. You're very irrelevant. When I Roma, when it's a muna me, I wanna beg. Where what in ya? Who knew imagine you were my there. After me, my way, even we concern. My way, okay, and we get a go. That means what more they go to. We discuss and then I get them at a room. We're not get a bang. Okay, ni ma Okpamen ever. Una ban because you just want to make yourself relevant. You say you wa zaga wa lekwe mi wiwa. Where who say? Unok be call out him. Who say? So guys, let's go. His video yesterday. It's gonna be boring because now lies not full. And to you, Osamede Idada. Mama Sharon cousin, Osamede Justina Idada. In West when women ven, and I go follow you to one because I even get evidence when they come and not they pick your call because you ain't gonna zua him. You ain't to zua when no get better vision where. And we de later, Papa na matem where Sharon was close to me, yes. I mean Nima, yes. But when what do I move in Nima Okpamen, what I'm doing a Sharon property, this people a Frank Lao. The property in the Sharon, the property in the Sharon, na. The property no men wagwalona or more young get 36 years. Wa mighty more wagwale property level here. Wagwale video level here. Is it that a property a problem? Wow, I don't understand. If they bring this one, if they bring that one, is that supposed to be your problem now? A young girl of 36 years, no matter no boo, not boo. One arake. It is so by now, he to umu. It just so by now to umu because I'm not gonna help money to more one. It just so at this point in time, he to umu. I'm waiting to telephone. I'm waiting to do a live video or to do a Frank Omozo. When the dog when me let do by now to suppose Nije to umu no live video. My people, before we start Frank live video, I will tell you guys how all these things started because okay, let me go maybe with Frank video. I go feel they tell you how it starts. So let's listen to him.
Alright, let's from here go hits down.
Okay.
Let's continue.
The video where trigger me now they play for now. So
Did you see? I just be happy. I don't feel go.
they are happy for waiting. Show us the document they give you now. Document in more by your boy. We my mezo. Ima agwa le lawyer no take pay we na. A document in me agbe you bobo. Because we can to agbe. Do geleme o.
You understand? I Anyway, just now you're supposed to celebrate. Say, give me document. Now go come celebrate me.
I bet they go. Man, celebrate. I have more to go to. I have anywhere. Jay have a king. I was suave mabule. Oga, go to your point. This one is the video. For now where they come this live video. This one the video where Frank not they do video for like 3 days now. They talk say somebody adopt Sharon. This I decided to just let him go because where live video presenter to Frank may be a say. So most times I don't answer him because his brain, his level of thinking is very, very low. When you say man, level of thinking low to the extent that on a team wake again, on a team wake like that live video, that's as low as his mentality because don't want to know young to this level or lower because of his low mentality. So I'm going to be replying him one after the other, the way he wants. He not reach to reply about this video now for Samede, Justina, Idada, Sharon, Mama's sister, where they call Frank Omoruyi for live video. They call Frank, they report me to Frank. She and a useless husband will be boy. Other for no you ass boy. Why if what me handle the live video e Frank Omoruyi. So why if me burena? What give Frank me give marokpa. Not about me laja. Me I'm not the same person. Me help me do saga. Me myself, I go by myself do the saga myself.
This one will be the way to say we don't want to talk for live video.
Okay.
We don't want to talk for live video. We don't want to talk for live video. What they go on, they go on. What they spoil. They try to make sure they are ready at home. So that now we don't go social media matter. But Izzy Omoruyi
Now they are.
say on the web, OPC or the family Sharon. OPC or the family Sharon. OPC Omoruyi or the family Sharon. Imagine this me the family Sharon. This now we are about here to it can't amazing. And yes, Sharon will go release the life. Now, Izzy Omoruyi is sitting down on the throne of Sharon.
My people, now hear that one. Frank say, "Owo be met the family Sharon, egbi dada. Owo be met diyan. It's a lot anu dazi no ba. Obe Sharon o diyan, o bo no diyan. Because man me ni win ya. Owo be met diyan, like as in what? As in waiting. Where I sit down on the throne. Which throne? Which throne I sit down on top? Which throne? The only thing Sharon has in her life, that be the house where she buy. And we know what it take us to even stand to. Agwima tile Sharon etin to wa bebo na. Agwima tile yen na wo me beg. Yen ni me o ga te lie. Ina ko we get defo. Ite lie. Sharon know everything now. You me beg me na. No be me the way Izzy will take care. I go see this one time to open up. I go Nigeria. Ite like but me Sharon do wa. O ga te we no be everything they talk for social media. Any other social media, you tell lie about me, Timujako, Imujaro Seve. Shadow Boomer, way you give me na now, want me, expecting you eva. Okpanaga on Nekere, Okpanaga on Okwa. That's to say a baby and a mature person. Na Yaneru Yone, a church in any need go in a altar. In a gele, go Nigonadi, no Yaneru, making okay, they said, because fine, she had me was a small baby, so she was thinking. So definitely me, I'm always carrying a child and she's always carrying the child. So okay, we went on your Joe, Emojo, and I had to go your ta. And I am Nerun. Do you know that period, my people, any year matter? And now nobody knows about it, but I will say it today. When decking, we get gay. Hey God, it's not going to talk social media, but when get gay. Me momo manako ko defa ina try na save the baby ina fear the baby ye ebakoni me na defa. I went to hospital. I know what I passed through. My enemy almost it like papa me it say not everything I know because me I not be social media person. I not be social media person. So you get you social media person. So every year one time, any bunima me we wake be, but me to wear dowa. But me ta dowa yen in my face. Till today my leg they pay me. I almost die. Use my head to hit floor for friendship. We not get a yamina, I don't get a yasun. But so back anywhere. I want to my lie. You get there for like 30 minutes. All of them were running a tasketer. Why are you quit there? Any me gavie? And I go no more about am I me? Which I never see. Say because I stand for friend to better. They don't like him. They don't like him. They don't want me to get life better. Till now they suffer now. Ina kunwegedege ma woman malakoko defa unwegedege. I try my best because when I my people, I don't know why I take for now. Let God know. I be like person where they push. But when they do kai, I'm a wuko, I wuko. Franco Mozuo, he tired of bedu, sis of Ugelezuo. Wagale figure anything not concern the Sharon Okpamen. What you bebo, what you so gua. I'm tired of you guys coming every day calling my name. Easy sitting down on the throne. Which throne? Otonle Sharon Okpamen in Nigeria. Ni agbe mi o they me. In get pay yo Tony. Move subo vere. What bume ajo tu bume. Oh, easy they don't carry my land for a pot road. Ije ga ro wa ma tu buje. Ije ma me pa no. They don't carry my land. Who carry your land? Or we see who carry my land. Okay, enter motor. I go with people where I know. I go meet them. Epa Eddie. And I see the person. It's like the person so I pay. So I'm like, okay, you may need no top, but why you go me for this land we move? When Amujano say she's a grateful person. Imagbe yes one day, and Omagbe me yes one day. Sharon was very, very grateful. Like now a person will be say if you do one thing for her, she go tell you thank you like 100 times. And then they go yeah, easy if not be you, I will not get this money back. Because the person now threatening her, you know, not worry. Don't na you run over say my way. Ina manakpa, we have you every day, manakpa, will they come up for us? She come pick me. Ni magay kokola, she come pick me. We can't go where we want to go. We'll go report on to some people. I will do tear a day. The win, don't make sure we pay you now. People are my witness. They are even watching me. They call me. They tell me say, "Rachel, life in Asia." I know people don't come and tell me say, "So now so this life be as you do rich." We are going to banana ba meti muja ne Sharon. Ni tame agumeti lege e Sharon meti do wa wona. Ye e ke no boy ma sell mo boji. Ona do me God dey no why lady me come pagina. Because apart from that, Sharon no way. Sharon no wa be Nigeria. The only thing on her is this house that she has. We na tana ya fe e me so ro na ye mo ego am I tell me na ya asa but asile ni easy bring phone, easy bring pikin, easy thief phone, easy do this, easy do that. My people wala we do nuzomo in wa in yare wala wa gumen nenya emi ni wu no jinya ya drago ya me kian gumen nenya because egbe woman then. Let's continue.
Izzy Omoruyi is feeling like a madam. He's feeling like AJ in the life of Sharon's family.
Oh God.
Because he knows many things, he holds many things against them concerning Sharon's property. I've told you before, I said it down.
Frank Omozuo, Ewe Agbo. Can you list the property where Sharon gets? Frank, see, Frank, you come away, okay, Umana list the property in the Sharon men who are figuring medaji. I need you to list the property where Sharon gets. Where una fit say dey my hand. Imagine, my people, Sharon property dey my hand. Which kind of allegation be all this one? Mona list, I be the property, I go water, between what be my property, the Sharon men. It's not a shame that the family does not know Sharon's property. It's not a shame on them. On I a property of you where my can oje. We are doing social media near do name. Oh God, man.
There's no way you do episode for Sharon. This is where I'll get episode for you.
My go reach 50 franc. My mother, what say? I an Italian person no. She go sue you, go court.
It's not directly to your mother.
Directly to my mother. Imagine on an energy. A franc ou energy. Because that you energy. That is each other be me. When what me Sharon, Mama Sharon. you just be me, you me face because of me. We just not see when I affair. Go care who no say me. Go me mo say me la wa. Or a crime in me commit. That's a crime now. Go me care who no say me. Or a crime you not commit. Is that what you guys are trying to tell me? Let's continue, guys.
In conjunction with this your plan against this family. My people, when I said it, we can go play the audio. We don't play as in a talk.
Yeah,
if I go play audio, easy. No, we are Omoruyi. Ose, when we are frustrated, when we are finishing, when we are manipulating, Okpamen.
Hey God.
Usalobwa Noel. Usalobwa Enikao. Etiendu Oanowe.
He said, when you are no man, yes, when you are no man.
My people, do you guys know, say, Okpamen Sharon Okpamen not go, you know, sense of song yesterday? You know, go sense of song yesterday? He not go as the beggar rich, as the better rich. The only sister where Okpamen gets now in sense of song yesterday, he cannot go. Because why? Because of Izzy Omoruyi.
My God.
Because of Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy saving the guy not enter there.
My God.
Until the family will come beggar for us.
Hey, Jesus.
Until the family will go beg Izzy for us. Make it go and the boy not legal, but Izzy go.
Okay, guys. More go to this Okpamen part. First, Okpamen and Sharon, senior brother. Sharon introduced him to me like 8 years ago. I don't know Okpamen. Okpamen a very calm person. Although I don't hear about him from my mama because he was going Nigeria. And what going Nigeria? Anybody not really remember? Zuwa. You know, we nine man with Frankie now. When I have Frankie, they be Okpamen. Even not your self love. We not got saga Sharon no wune. Sharon negiro na saga. Ona. So I met him and I was like, we can't wait, but whatever. So like that we became friends because I was friends to Sharon. And the brother is good in editing. I even hear this guy blah blah blah. Those one are stories and just cover up. So Sharon told me that the brother they edit well, say they try for all those small editing for skin. Because they don't know how editing. We became close because of Sharon, definitely. They see if anytime I go see Sharon, I go see him. Sharon now. I Sharon in one room. No, Sharon had no room in her mother's house. And Natage, your mama go just keep you for us. I want to keep you one room. Keep on my Sharon was always staying with her friends because we had a room. The only thing no wa better Okpamen kere na ije muje ba no the only thing no wa ba ni. E ba ni ya vije gba lo vieji. The house was big, oh, the house was like 2.5 bedroom. But ana quick cool zigi zigi yokpa. Okpayan lo vieji e zigi zigi red bonokpa. Sharon never had a room. So I was not even comfortable going there because when measure like from Ikeye Kere, I've always had my room. I grew up in a boarding school. And when I come home, we always had our room as girls. So I've lived that life of private life right from time. So most times, come, we are not fit. I'm not fit. She's a person that not like in a crowd. She's always happy. So me going there out of love, because never, man, like a environment normally conducive. I don't like it because when you a life in now or you twin. So the life in normal man, I will live a say. At least that's the only thing you have to enjoy for yourself. Now coming to the part here where we manipulate Okpamen. Okpamen is like a brother to me because when he had a Sharon, he had Okpamen, he had a mommy tije. Ije gimon we are in Nigeria imwe 2 box of iguje VR day. Imwe gile with a jerrycan your luggage. Imwe lo mo bitters. Ile jigo me ya pay your airport. Ya mwe so kwa na eri one that me ile no eh. Do you know what it is to carry 23 kilo for person? 46 kilo imu giokona from Nigeria. With a phone call, can Sharon watch me? I beg if you go back to Nigeria, I beg me carry this one, let me carry that one. This woman forgot all these things. And she's dragging me because of Sharon's phone. Say me want to carry Sharon house. How? I beat Sharon here with next of kin. Me my any dragging me, Gina. I'm not Sharon's next of kin. I'm not part of her documentation for the house. So why are they dragging me? Okpamen, he told me, Okpamen, I see him. He have told me, because most times, Agrippa is always feeling very sad. The only sister no me. Otonade agbo to a lavieze a hero. So Okpamen ta away family rien. When he heje di beria, the service of song. I'm over Okpamen be Izzy Sharon. Il est ledo. Azok kagbene be di beria na Okpamen oni gume na guwe. Okpamen is a grown up man. A man no say 9 years na be 10 years in it. A grown-up asthma, service of song or tion. It doesn't even make sense to you. And you as a Frank, or Monswon, you're not going to get or one of the service of song or Tenewi, or one time ahead or ye. Doesn't even make sense. One boom one money they go to. That you guys need to go and repair your brain. We're like, and the complaint he made was that social media service of song which I was angry with the boy that was doing everything in radio because I don't give I look at me, along. Let's call him and put him, let's call a spade. And now I will realize. You let the brother be aware of everything. Carry him along, call him I didn't know anything about it. He only said, when you are more in a van, he may need to be a come what 3 days he didn't know why I'm more in a van. Menaka manager. But mommy, ye Sharon, when I don't make a I met it to Sotame. When my you yourself no we're complaining again, we're complaining to Buwe. You always complain him now. Why are you not making everybody feel like him? Men is your manipulator Okpamen. It can when I even Okpamen. Okpamen wanna met him manipulate Okpamen here. If one Sharon met him manipulate, I'm women. So Frank is saying that men is yengbe. Or Okpamen, Frank, yare bebogume. Dimogele tame Okpamen ejo. Agbon mawe Frank. Agbon mawe dimogele kamae. Agbon mawe. But then Okpamen ejo service of song got you. Agbon mawe no je we save life. Or can feel Frank. E no je we save life. Or can feel or can feel about the fact. Keku wane commenters are callers we. And you know your was a life or here or here few wa. Why me boy when be am married that gunwa? Because what zua wa mure de gboto e de pa guwa. Common sense is not common, man, people. You know 40-something years old man, many things you are manipulated. Do you know I even threw up last year, Mami Okpamen, because I know the person where they go out for this radio. If not get people for Italy for radio, I wanna put call to them, call them, ask them, say whether they don't ever see Izzy for outside. You don't see me outside because I'm a busy person. I work from house. House work. It always said, I mind my business. The only person that took me outside of my house was Sharon. She was the only one that would call me and say, oh, come meet me for here. I go because of the love where I get. Can you like in a show here? We Sharon, you know, I know they like all this kind of gardening. Because I bet my friend, come over, vision, my sister, you know, say you know my sister, come over, come enjoy. Anywhere, on my own, I don't know anybody. I don't get any friend. So, me no can know waiting, can make almost work, can feel na me easy, say make Sharon brother not come service of song. Now he not really come. Let's about the scene. Let's continue, guys.
Nobody should provide. They like to there's no calling. Hello? You were watching your live video.
You did see him?
You did watch live video. You did watch me for live video. You did watch me for live video. down. All of them are waiting to talk. Now you relax.
We sit down. We dey relax. We dey watch you. Yes, me spread. I don't ready for now. Me spread.
Sure, and one thing I know. Sharon spirit is a very stubborn.
Very stubborn spirit. Yes, very stubborn. Sharon want make we talk. And all our friends go come out and talk. All our friends come out and talk. Sharon want make we talk. And we go talk.
Because he never buy. Our spirit don't they fight.
They fight with you. Yes, so because when they Frankie now, where the highest enemy in Sharon can never go now. I tell the Dunisha where the other born. When we Sharon visit Bashago, if you don't need women, Sharon save your phone or go Sharon the phone. Let's continue. Take a boy, amen. He said, he said, then they Sharon Okpamen. Frank, who tied the other way around? On the mistake we make. We're tying about a proposition on anybody. Lady Sharon, yes, he said. Then anybody will now vow the name like Bay. Who are Lady Sharon? Frank, who to be Lady Sharon? Sharon ask you where? All su well in the Bay. All su well in the Bay. All su somebody that in the Bay. All su where I fell in the Bay. Why are you talking? Sharon ask you where I fell in the Bay. He said, Kebugwe. Onaga oge, this is their mistake. So you can sue for people feeling, not so for yourself, you where they talk. Frank. We got you over phone, where you know the Google. Hey Frank, there what of the letter Oga Manuel is said to your prayers. The petition will let anybody a prayer where he say. But there go out of they to buy oge. Frank, tu ave le Sharon. E Sharon ave suwe. Que ça met Justina ida da tin Sharon ogwe gon be fun. E Sharon asuwa eva. All suwa eva like din. All suwa eva like din. Who tie the other way around? And who tie one part? Say it the both ways. Don't swear for people and then you not leave yourself out of it. Go what tie Sharon property going on. So we tag in the book. They don't go tag. They shall not see where they Frank or Moswo. Not see where they mean.
You understand? We're going to share this with you. Frank, so they play the family audio. Now, this woman, Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi Sharon Okpamen. Unknowingly to me, but now say, Izzy the friend of Okpamen.
Hey God.
On code.
Hey Salopa. Oh, Izzy the friend of Okpamen.
Now, Izzy now is manipulating Okpamen.
Frank, yagele a friend Okpamen. A ogbano. Iye ke gbano we. Imana a friend Okpamen. Iye ke vi fian o fian wujo wa o. Iye ke vi no wo kan we. O fian wujo wa o. We to bu we fian o iye ke vi a o. Imana a friend Okpamen. Let's continue, guys.
Against the mother. If you have a man who come and go family now, no family. Oh, but again, you in this video, Bobby, here, and then it's a woman. I ain't not Bobby, I ain't Bobby. I ain't you, Papa, Bobby. I ain't you, Papa, Bobby. No one couldn't die, no one would jaw, who not you. Bobby will lie. Now, the family are sick and tired.
Okay.
Easy one with your pussy. Easy DJ, America Okpamen. Usaluwa udazi la
He said, Wabele nita. Izzy Omoruyi Omo wa na we. Omo be na Frank or send Izzy Sharon a call no do arove you social media. Omo pa kan ogime. If you don't know no mu ja ode matter. Wa mu pa ye na. Izzy Omo uri telephone. Wa gbe presenter gwan wa move omo no we nyegbe bie. Wa mu egboto my presenter. Izzy Omo. Izzy Omo. Omo no nyegbe bie. Wa arove yo get am where as gweze. Then when my day, oh God, some mothers, Jesus. We call it Frank. Okpamen ya mase Frank Ivagbona. In fact, Frank Okpamen ya yegbe. Okpamen se Frank in arena de ave. Frank Okpamen Frank in. Omo no lalue. Omo na kufa ye Germany re. Omo no salobwa. Mommy, Iye Sharon. When I'm between the one no Frank arove you gbe. Omo pa kan no give never gbon. Una na one no rove yo. Ah God. Ona ma ona. Una ha mi ewu ere ma gba. Ere ogian ma gba mo no we bie no we mu ye ko for 9 months. Eruve na Sharon. Eruve na. There's no point no matter industry we are na Sharon leleyan. Ere Sharon wo, ere Sharon ma wo, ere Sharon this one. Now okpa kan we na we na ma ave mite. Ave we are on social media when na pa me ma. Unu gba Frank e mwe phone. Don now ye ma we je obi me no Nigeria again no wa ya behavior. Unu gba ani no ma for. Ani no ma for we life na. Ani omo no 100% perfect. Every mother sin even ya kokivi ya wo. If you we get money, iya masse man we gugwan. Iya masse vie man we gugwan. Ani no phone Abagbona. We money. Man we gugwan. If you we money, iya masse vie. Let's continue, guys.
Now, it might go far.
Imagine when I make a name de imagine. So where around wa, I want me na Frank in the be ma be oko. Or of you we or we were ye unten. Hi God, no.
Because I'll get property of Sharon. If you not constantly Sharon. Easy believe where nobody know. But easy, I'm letting you know about what is not no many.
Oh.
I know. And I want you to also use your hand and your mouth to go to the family.
You know what this is what they do, so they play mind game with me. Frank Omoruyi, since you know many, use your mouth to talk the many way you know. Which particular Sharon get where you know. Tamagbonia, why you they hide down? Why you want me by myself go use my mouth to talk? You see them? You see people who are useless. They don't know what Sharon get. They want to use mind game for me so that yeah, it's saga man. You don't come again. Sharon man. Sharon ga Sharon. Izzy Sharon. Sharon man anything apart from one ojena. Even look my Sharon me. Otonoga ave in Nigeria we no here. Because meeting do not say me social media. I cannot meeting we been we donor we not next Sharon meeting na. But we even no otoni here. Sharon come away. Amamu ele enwe. The only otono ele no where imagine even the con phone call. That was inside the July okay. Because Sharon no gwazi yo no map that say no di maje. Una me no ma. You say it out. Ina hamena we you only have film village. But igwale Kenyana doctor no ma rangbe. Ni be film village so that imeti away production now we ma only rush away one film in a year. He make sure film in Netflix now so you need a kenoto. Sharon called somebody. He may need the person but I will try to call Sharon Orowa. Yate Vanessa yate any no or it the man. Ona the man chairman of one community ni wa ye no. Ona no ni go gi oto na come ni go ni ado to gani. The man is na wo talk na very ani na except tigwalo we ya mi chipa na we na de ko film village you know. So in my eti abowayo ave mud houses in here boy na ya ate film in there. Na we only bojo. So Sharon was like telling me again we want to that same community. Imagine the community. Imagine, but she said it. Yeah, but it's always said that do our no. So imagine or said Uniben. I don't remember, but I know saying all those community will be saying inside bush. So all of the time the man he only a dead by the land. The man of Hamega, you gonna we are there when you are there. A phone call. My God, damn it. The man at Mamedi only there. Yamume wa. Yare. Sharon was like, my Nigeria, Yari me boy. Madam, of which Vanessa or twin Vanessa is aware of the land. Sharon men your way no women. Iye Sharon. Since a Sharon, property Sharon where you go all level here now. I'm telling you that Sharon men rock no women. Sharon men pin wo bombe. Ene pin wo bombe pin. Ene wo bombe. Sharon men anything no women. A dagman dey me na tie na. Do what figure of me no women. Why I tell me over why I rebe bogumen. Ya wa ven ya jo. I go answer with my full chest. Omo say 36 years old child you. What you care about is deminome. Eh, boss, the man understand. Is it that easy to carry somebody's property? It don't easier. Property wa mwe because wa mwe. This woman, my people, what is deminome? Then I call her. Yeah, ba wa wait, mama. Call you when I come on. E pine e kade Sharon ore mimi kekore imo because e Sharon give me so ni aguyen with joy go to call ama or go help me now we ya send the yagwe emi ya na avion ya hospital e yagwe Okpamen. I don't have anything concerning Sharon with me. The property ni Sharon men we go agwalona. So me ma understand. Let's continue. I don't want to talk about my friend. Okay.
Before I could expose you, understand? And I get proof. Complete. Understand you now?
You go bring the proof, oh. Wanna listen audio from the family.
Now, why don't you Izzy a Facebook now?
Problem here, Frank. I ready. Because you are now waiting with him, eh? Problem here, problem here. We will continue. We will go na igu unwe. When we go say, when the Frankie we go say, September, January, all the Christmas lights in war. We not go say green. We might think that gogbon. We might think the bed of bon ulo vieji. Guzua even uzua. Why have fair progress with social media? When I like yeke. Let's continue. Frank, when we was now, why ask about the year Sharon? Mommy, we were questioning by your one. Regime mabu wesowa. Vous me African shop or Luca, una complain Sharon. Jimena we kenajena kenana complain ya do mi we wa. Many ziek buwa ke ko samede manale lijeme buwe adiowa. Una complain Sharon. When Sharon ya behavior. When he we ya ma when ogi we zuwa e. Bijena kama we. Jimena we aneru ne mo. E mo de ba misbehave. U yorwe wa son u ya neru niyan. Ase mo kegbe unu gbaji me buwe adio wa do guwe gwan ameti guwe gwan emi no de guwe ewe u but you're not telling them the truth oh wa ge Frank ge ariye boy wa ge amwe bogbe Frank ozua if Frank should have somebody in Radio Milan or call anybody in Radio Milan ask about these people they will tell you we phone tioma when I present one we want to go gwan ko wa record tioma. So, may I understand why? So, what are you not trying to drag at? Okay? Let's continue. I don't want to talk too much.
Episode 1, episode 2, episode 2, episode 8.
I dare you sit down. Okay. I walk Benny okay your boss. I walk Benny okay your boss say hi me. Oh God. I mean no you hire kuma be your ha. Yeah, what fear God saloba. Saloba na ga biomo no more regboto we ne Frank more regboto na. It's a shame on him.
cassette. Oh, you can't. And you, mommy. My name is Lord. I don't know where. Unati, or more young way, or more, but no. Una mommy at the coy. Put on the
Omanotina, who were tina when I figure metin, Abby. Who were tin when I figure metin. Eh, no. As long hina, problem it all. I like the work out.
Oh, see, anything about you ahead is coming on me just straight down.
All right, continue.
Yes. Oh, you know where? On a in when you look at the hole. On a in one of my charity. Oh, you know where?
Sabane gume mo kagbebo yin yo se me. Yin no teme ne kere ido mo kagbebo Frank. Igwae. Then work be me bana. I dey come there, my people. I go tell una wetin make all of them they fight me. Wetin make Egbidada they fight me. Mama Sharon family, according to Frank, away family Sharon or don't report me my hair. I can't know the reason I go Egbina, but I'm coming there. I'm coming there. E Sharon tu we save no Frank ya. O tu we Sharon se kia. Egbe we se no a. Egbe we se no a. Egbe we Sharon kia. Guys, hold on, I'm coming. Okay. Egbe we se no a. Egbe we Sharon se kia. When Sharon there. The Sharon ragbon uri amene won there. The Sharon ragbon did you ever say anything nice about that girl when she was alive? Frank. Eh de boya to we da shawo. O ya insult her. Let's go. Yes, now. Sabane ge.
Izzy
oh, where? Oh, what you man you poor man also. Do who ne Sharon wa na? Me Sharon na. What does Sharon even have? The only thing she has is that house. No, nije wa jena. E Sharon ere koma bi je lagwani. That's the only thing Sharon has. Sharon no wa be Nigeria. Anything. Okay, on my motto, no me no kwa be fear Vanessa. So the Sharon wa what does Sharon even have? Can't you people say it? Ekwe muwa. E property no vi wa me wa ma ho eh. This same thing Sharon told me. Sharon na we owo saba na ge ogijin egu. Owo yen my property ni jin yen na we gba. Na we ni meje property yen me yen ya. O because jin yen ma ha me ya. Owo the only person no property jin or a boyfriend jin or property jin. That's what she said. And you wanna making me know that even a family Sharon my property Sharon that why you go like boss you wa figi me hen ya. So to why you try no play mind game with me. Ni don't have my property Sharon. I don't know anyone. My property Sharon the Sharon me apart from one or mana. That's the only thing me Sharon me. Every other thing you can ask Vanessa or Tio no cousin no. Ije Vanessa or last one of Izzy Sharon. Go and ask her. She was the one who got taken Sharon with Nigeria. Your Fimote Sharon. A criminal Sharon and your fear. Go and ask her. Why you people dragging me inside your mess? Why are you dragging me? Why you can't make a property Sharon? Sharon will just 1 month work be property ne. Hi! Sharon Bala oh hey property of your kakere 36 years old. Oh wa no let social media here na wa no here. Hey, ekwe mu me. O say man support go fund me wa because ekwe ga mu mege oyo kan kere wu wana beg go le level kian. 36 years old girl, young vibrant girl, beautiful soul. Time ayan. Expose us. Family audio. A family no lose up more, no, 36 years old. At the audio get presenter no wa mind de. Presenter no wa mind de, wa mind gbin de. When why useless is say. Wa pe audio get presenter no go wa saga. Oh no God. My plan. Useless.
I didn't start recording from the beginning, but we have record which I'll play. One of you.
So, but I want to
no, the person who talks about the auntie of Sharon.
When Izzy say, Osamede Justina is not Sharon's auntie. She's Sharon's cousin. Ero Samede Omoruyi Sharon. Enu yeni ya itoge ma wese. Omo be ye auntie. Auntie no no da fon boy oge we bejon. Me denu we. Everything about you Sharon ha ma ya. When no calling now, I know everything about you. Sharon told me about you. And here now we magbon my enemy. Zuo we get Frankie Bume ade. We get Frankie Bume ade. We might we feel no bad. We call him before. More than 5 minutes because he get to Zua. He get to Zua. Oh, better bishwe. Okay. Ogbiyan. Oh, Zua. My negwe. Then where do I report him? Wanna listen to family? Family we lost picking we big like Sharon. Picking 36 years old girl. They get time to tell the call presenter. They narrate the girl for presenter. Now go say why Sharon not go wrong go outside. If now you not go wrong go outside. If now you not go wrong go meet friends. If now you family where they narrate person up and down on now here. Madam yo, family okay. Ere girl na no kwana o si yo na wie Sharon ira be fia ne. You see me Sharon. What damn you?
This time, you understand? Easy. You know what you do. It's between you and your mommy's house. Mama,
you Sharon over to Wale Legbe. Everybody. I bet you fear me water.
Now listen. I'm going to call out all these stupid actresses and actors. This.
If I not master where we can tell that. Yeah, I love you. You reach leg where Sandra take match grant or Zuo.
You will sit down here right now.
Sandra go where my way.
Well, yes, I go you sir. Osai ma esewi. Yeah.
Oh God.
I go say agency no. No I go sir. Osai ma esewi. Archer is in Ross. I greet you.
No.
Audition is there.
Oh God.
The first time you come at platform like this.
Social media sha. I won't fair. Social media sha. Oh no. Okay, no tell Mario where you know it you where you are. Social media keypad warriors. I want my phone you bear wa atalo. Emmanuel ma save God. Emmanuel hustle your life here. Life from go your hand care hustle life here. Where are tie boni here? Ma blame washa. Social Mark Zuckerberg blame. You no ma sokpa. I bet if you hear me with the other tripod. First, Sanoma is not a white master. If you never seen Sanoma before, you need to see how 4 fois segbe. Sanoma is not using any cream. But I'm sorry, mom again, or my bleaching cream is there.
What we do? You name your basket. What's in here? You don't go. Not Canada. Not Canada. Not show love. What's in your basket? What's in the big girl? That was. I just that was. What's in that bros? That's how I call them. That bros. What you do? Not them. Name your basket. What that bros? They dash them out. We talk. No sir. No sir. No sir basket. Aina. Correct. No sir basket. Correct. Nine. I agree to no sir basket. I want to agree to no. I don't give a life for me. What about that? If you have to nearly do what you sing a song. Now, first of all, come here.
Away first of all. Away first. You're not Italy. Hey, Frank, you're not Italy. I'm not boyare. But money came your way just to show respect. Ona we monu no ya saga here. Very great. Well, let's continue.
Why the first person? My people are this one with that style. When I listen to Sandra, you go to Sandra do. On Thursday of it, Sandra went to visit Sharon Okpamen, mother and the children. That they talk, that they show or something. Let me use this one. Maybe we just chop and small to the hot. I bet when I share this video before I continue. Now they show proof for the talk, now they bring out something. They give you a strike for them. My analysis is going to go where when I go to understand where they go, not where they come. Preach to our sister, patience, Omoruyi Izzy. Let's go her page on there. She posted a video, the picture.
I didn't even post it. I didn't even post.
This one, you saw what's happening, right?
Guys, I didn't even post a video. Okay. I shared.
Hold on. Let's go down. And the picture just needs. Okay. Now this picture can needs. Now, you guys see these pictures what they take for saying a song. Now let's go far. Get place we say. It's very, very interesting. We concern Sandra. We want to collapse Sandra. Read that picture, do. Any part we see Sandra carry Mimi. Hold on. Like now. Just know Sandra pay you go direct.
No, sir. You know, sir, you don't lie for my head. You say na me poster. Now, you not see the post on my wall now. Now, you want go Sandra wall. Now go look for the post.
I say, you what's happening now? God, my me, Saluboa, Dazi.
I beg, before I continue, I want to ask people where they do saga. Wherever they look the saga, what they do? For their mind. To work bema. To work bitema. Wama to work full buwa. Wama reke zuo wow. For your mind, now you they beat easy. Injo they beat easy. Easy go, you they cry. Ina ame ni reko, ina gelewe ni, ina avie. Eko me na nwa, ya ma vie, iti nga agie, ogie me giwa. Because it come like when you know when somebody's heart is clean, it's as clean as whatever. Those who were close to Sharon, those who were Sharon's destiny helpers, I have fake tears in social media, no fake tears, no way, my godmother, anywhere, no of any help to Sharon. Those people who contributed to Sharon's life, people were there that gave her money, for her dog, even Saloba deba wa fe. 1,000 euro, 2,000 euro. We know I love Sharon. Eh, on my make up with me there. I don't have for me fake love social media na merita. I love you say. Those who were there, they know more about Sharon and myself. Once somebody called me yesterday, I know that person gave Sharon 1,000 euro. The person work when they go the number me. But I need to debunk everything one at the talk. Every video one they do from now go they analyze them. Because of what can I do to I waited for 1 month. 1 month, you know there. 1 month. Also, 1 month now. I'm ready for you guys. I'm ready. Tit for tat. Let's go.
Oh, I also let that you in the car with the Prato. I also let I say Nigeria was no feeling well.
Oh, guys, show what you want show us. Egwe mabule. Shut up, where me go? A fake glass in Muya. Which truth they talk? You know truth. Egwe mabule. We are not my egbe.
My sister need to just tell her one or two things before I will look at her. Yes, yeah.
Mabule, gbane ora, gbane buebu, ewe, agbo maso. For their mind, they saga person. What you talk want to do for person life? When you measure make better stage in there, the saga ye shake. Oh God, show us where you want to show us. You need to see comment section. One of the comment section not take comment it down. And you ogbeluwa wa zaga. O ma ni nuwe wa bonye gbe me.
This was Sandra. and Mira, Michelle.
Say Mira, Michelle.
This is what Sandra and Michelle. Maybe want to share the video.
No, that they look. I put on for another tripod. Now the Frank, they look.
This one is Sandra and Michelle. When Sandra go visit Michelle, Mama for us, which is the grandmother, carry Michelle. No, no, when I know say the first saga will enter the social media. Now Osamede TV. Osamede TV, now the first saga.
That's it. Another lie. Frank Omozuo, when we concern the first saga will come. See, I come today. The first saga will come to social media was Eddie Murphy, social media president. Sharon died on Friday. Eddie Murphy came on live on Saturday to strike Sharon's mother. Or in la live video na ata or working a boyfriend in Sharon friend, Mr. Smart, or working a baby mama gave Germany, or when Sharon you be social media president. All of you should know the truth where this started from. I also made your case when social media president Eddie Murphy also this old saga of Sharon. The woman not being a boyfriend in Sharon or Germany. Or when the social media president Eddie Murphy said it on his live video, okay? Or won't be na ni Sharon friend or when matter again. Okay, now what happened? Sharon died on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Imam reached phone. They were calling me. Ina when in Ladian do saga Eddie Murphy. Ina we met in Ladian. Ina when do defend him defend Sharon. Now we or now again I social media. Again that should be why damn you. But they did not listen. Here you go, but the Murphy dinner and I rule with Frank. Frank, I tell my talent and Here you go, but the Murphy dinner, the Murphy here where the Murphy talk and I rule with Frank. Ne Frank, you don't help me. When I was here, okay, na ya to that I'm way bored back where now boy pick Frank. Osamede was on Osamede the person not sworn. It was social media president Eddie Murphy sworn the saga. You sworn Sharon a drag. And the normal any get the woman or bien a boyfriend Mr. Smart or call Eddie Murphy from Germany. The woman or Mokbane Mr. Smart. That same woman have a threatening Sharon on there before the inbox. Have a begin again. That was years ago. Sharon told me. And I come to when I went to saga or so yeah, it's when he made those saga Eddie Murphy. Now he met him because it's too early. The Friday, Monday, Sunday, saga. Sunday, Monday, when he do saga. When we met him now on again social media. And now when everything is over, any lies in the attack will come and debunk it. So they could not bear it. Why when they target the Murphy here they could not bear it. The auntie nor Verona. Ya Sharon Okpamen call yana rule with Frank Omoruyi not the rescue ya will bet the Murphy. Then the Sharon alternative go not go sa no a fan named Monica. Only now more with the matter get Monica also. That girl no alternative Sharon. A record EJ mommy ye Sharon. Wa arun wa be girl ni e girl ni ga record Sharon ye phone. E girl ni be record Sharon with phone. O say neni mi e girl ni 50 years old woman on my neck be. At 50 years, you bashawo, you pay what they are hustle. Where then where? Am I saying then because your plan was to wreck Sharon before. Una wonu go ge, wonu pay wire. Where when I spread the what spread the in Egbuwa. Nobody not spread wa. 50 years old woman no ye bashawo at 50. We make grandchildren know you ya hustle. Where we men ni zegbe. Oh, handle our social media people ni agbeme. Ba me matter. We no ga record Sharon wo wa. E phone where to ga record the me ya e Sharon gbinwe, e Sharon ma clean, e Sharon this, e Sharon e ya re phone where. Ya ba wo re ya re bebore. Let's continue guys. All these frenemies. Sharon all of the come want turn to Sharon mama friend. They want come to the one be saying that them good pass. Now so the saga take start to my people. Now through Eddie Murphy now it take start. Those of now where this social media now go no say Eddie Murphy now start this whole saga. They be won't use me take fight Eddie Murphy. Now say I know they fight. It's too early. My friend don't knew that. Lizard wu. Omanagbon wu. Omanagbon. Omangoma. Okpoma. Beautiful girl. Beautiful soul. Angel. Okpana. We need to always saga. Now we met him. Now we met him. Now we me yaga you die down there. We can come and debunk anything we want to debunk. But for now, no. Yeah. By social media, where you get social media, they come my on Monday of it, as small picking day with me for us. I need to kind of go hospital. I go know the doctor. So that in case anything else to know, I feel rush go. Because the life in now, a man, a vessel on a mark like you were. While be ya beg me day, you don't let you way. My current doctor day. A me now we only a McDonald's. In our okay, man, I don't tell me McDonald's. Now, in a beg 4 missed call. Oh, now the phone they use so. I for use another phone. I'll show now. I can see 4 missed calls. Who they call me so? Mama I know say that's Mama Sharon. I can't call him back. Okpamen was there because Okpamen follow me go hospital. I can say in case because he's there for me. I feel saying Mama no fit they get up now. At least Okpamen will fit help Mama they carry the children go clinic or any appointment where they get. In a college, mommy would see me for me score where you need a number or seven. Now it doesn't know here was aware or send my bad yes there. Now I niki because my was in the boom by yes then. My Sharon go at him, my back, my guardian is there. Then my banana don't know here, way no for fun or all. Osamede now, what way video. You may go way video. Why are you bebo gume? He met TV life in your email, Osamede get away video ni. Email, I didn't know anything about it. And I okay, I had a number again. Now the way the video. You get the video now. Osamede go do this kind of video. And now the call Osamede. Osamede was at work. Oh no. Now we're close if you want not see me. So the mother was looking for the no. In general, do act me. Nijeme do de no ban. Nijeme na we very winner. I got somebody yaking winner. Somebody go do that kind of video. Where any beg no. Because somebody is also a friend to Sharon. I don't have right to question because Emo the only friend Sharon got. And somebody beg or tell the video ni. And the Sharon you know ya time somebody tell now who get away because of now you grieve. But because of the Demofigure saga where ya jump into the saga. Or ya do ya with that apology or now ya deleted the video. Well, I did not give Mama Sharon the number. One was a man name because Ima Onia Eva Sharon Pologbe stage in Memuyeji. Ni Memuyeji. No how do I go some do I exchange a word or say manade number in out of respect ni ga Sharon. So I didn't give her that number. So in the Frank Itana is totally wrong. So let's continue with what Frank is saying.
Twitter is soft for Sharon. Who posted that video? Sandra. This same woman, this same Sandra, posted that video. Alongside us, Mama Nota said, when my children they operate in Facebook or not children Facebook, the damages we they make now we talk about. These are the people that create damages on this media. Where we say the saga they see it exists now, it not still finished because if you have any ayaziri, these are the people who constitute nuisance about the death of Sharon. Now they are all evil people, all these people so. Then they are pretense. Since they can't see now sister son that they carry me not like say the feedback say you not see their colleagues. When I ask me, when I go check out Sandra both Facebook and page, if she ever posts the GoFundMe of helping these children, these innocent children, where she carries soul, if she ever posts the GoFundMe that was created for these children or assist these innocent children, Sandra Agbo Yosa, Nosa Basiki, they never in their life posted anything that concerned these children on their page.
Okay, my people, let's go to the GoFundMe, my people. Sharon died on Friday. As a Saturday of it, they were already planning GoFundMe. They don't even wait, make 1 week reach. Are they not grieving? Person when they grieve, go fisi ite, begin they do GoFundMe. Okay, they create group, WhatsApp group finish. They begin they add people. People know they see Sharon brother for the group. You know they if now you go join. You know call and say na fraud. Or one might they hear kere nous avait vieux non n'avait pas de fille comme qu'avait dubois de mon avoir rush la social media na gwa twangwa ligo waka you go na yauna. I'm asking. Wama we mudia realize after 1 week avec here na do okay, what do we now do? Ne fast even to be have no how we go take support, how we go take help. I don't get fast on no e wana do where. Why blame me very egbe? In the channel time evo lele. They or isemigo ne, you might trust it if you. So people were like, they were skeptical. They didn't know what to do. Many of them donated. We are donating for Naijawatch because nobody wants to donate towards the burial of a colleague. Why will you donate a younger colleague, a younger than he donate to Omoruyi Sharon Okpamen? Does it even make sense to me? I don't know. I don't know if it makes sense to you because me and Sharon never had that plan that she's going to die early. No, we're supposed to live together, grow old together. We had plans to grow old together. So all of a sudden, after 2 days, how many do I donate go? When I'm still grieving, here. Go fund me. First, Peter told me as at Sunday, I'll be Monday. Iban was already with First Peter to give to people who want to donate money. But these people will go back behind me to go and spoil my name. But they will be telling me, oh, people want to donate money. Mommy can't give me IBAN. I can't they give them IBAN. I say, how you go to give people Monday of it? Even that very day when Sharon goes so, I call them another Jenny Rigore. Blessed, I won't call your name. Atie blessed we not Rigore. Then Sharon, and the no more wagu. DJ so no ya roto ya here. The no more wagu. I make a phone call where I need people number for Jenny where they owe Sharon money. What you go no? Where they beg a phone wow. I'm away to can see go. There's time for everything in life. Even if you go aji ma say eta la dia. Atami na team mere nege envelope ni yare me hospital you go ga arugbe ni vie ni yare as de no se me wa pa. Ije mommy. E ma no go to ta yo wa be ba ni. Emi anu wa o yan be do ha mi me. When you have a kamu we ogi me kwe ni ala me wa o. Won we me public place. The only 2 people no la me wa Pamela nu dan o de pama. Me denu we. Oge nu ya ba me e denu e. When you call him say we wonu ajo me ma kwe nu la wa me because igwa lo sebegbe igwa lu wa. But una de lo pa me adio wa me. Ugi de re una record me una de Omoruyi Sharon. Yes. My Epa say make I call you. Pamela, I'm not saying you watch me now. Epa James when it's here where when wife don't say egbe no we isi da yin ona Omoruyi Sharon na ni ma Omoruyi Sharon. Emi anu wata wo wa ni. When ya glele we ta je mommy ye Sharon. When I alele we ta wo wa na ri am ya do alele me ta e mana. Everything we ba ni I know ye go wa me. Ye igu we gwa na ye do we gwi me gwa. Emmanuel we figure legal we. Nino do oh sorry. Emi and wu me be he. E Pamela ve ta serve doge e bossa se e brasmati jola dia ya lule la dans the step. Yoko wa lela. But that's it Pamela na do come we me we the me a force me na force me ati me mama. My people, I get video to show now. Sharon not there today. Sharon the only they tell the pikin say me na mama. Sharon na mommy. Then my mama, mama na iye. My mama na iye. So the pikin get I say they call everybody. All Sharon friends now mama they call all of us. Now mama she they call all of us. That me can they force Mimi to call me mommy. Me want go adopt Mimi. I want force Mimi. Mimi was dancing. I have video evidence. You were here. She was kissing me. Somebody told me Sharon's real godmother. Sharon's a godmother. Real one. I had this fake one. In Nigeria, the woman told me, Mimi no Sharon is happy also. Or say Mimi na gogo. I was like, Jay, Mimi wa gogo these days. You might understand. Or wait because Orije so tall. Gorema. That woman still calls me today. Godmother Sharon. Or what say no na gogo. Or so Mimi na called me. Ona calling me. A auntie. And I will know. And mama. She's auntie. The girl already. Because Enije ma ekoton Ona okay. I hear that do me force say nothing me mommy. Hi God. If you are born. Let's go. Me. If you not Frank, while we 5 video, I will do 100 for you. I just read the truth. Because even Sharon the verse for me say I too quiet for una since.
What I do to the world, we be believe we be one. You are hypocrite the one. Don't what you are for our own selfish interest. The way we are deceiving the demon legoto. You make now like what? You make now jigoni what? You make now feel what? No more like evil. No more the bad mindset of Nigeria will be major. No, what? No, we will why do you come on like on ourselves? We are a whole day. They will you guys will go back to that same country and be acting evil. Now, when you are moving, one move here, better of a panel. And you're going to move here, just for you to post, show that you care. Show that you care. You guys never did. You guys never did. Now, when I'm going to hear the whole story,
Oh God, the mama no wa.
They took Sharon from the church straight to the mortuary. These pictures you see this was in the cemetery. That same church was close to cemetery. See the church, see the cemetery. They have a boundary. Now they went to the cemetery to take pictures, thinking Sharon was buried already. And not literally we the people, and they banded people as
Ozuoki Frank, who give my mind? Was Sharon even in the corpse that day? Was Sharon even? Can you swear that Sharon was in that corpse that day? My 25th time Sharon where we know. Anyone, it come by now. Anyone figure my because everyone of the lady Sharon go and have do atami my lady Sharon tell what. Or say I wear my gonna because women make care anybody. But we are Nicola no. Anybody alive, I not really say what yes, I don't complain. Iye di o madano. Iye easy o madano. Easy o madano. When yes, I know mommy, yes, I know when we are nine my any anuta mahon. Akwere come to send the gimak self. When we are over here, dear mahon. When we are my bog be here, dear say we mahon. Iye di ma. Easy ma. Everything uta ma hemi ya be mana. Eman we go go no be do agui me go an. We're not trusting ya. We're trusting ya. A life in her and why? Hello. A knock by man, when you are complain everybody, I they know. Iyeni yamu. My 25th I'm Sharon Okpamen. We know. If I can figure my hair. Oh no problem. You boy feel that anything wow mama hair. Because my daughter go on social media, my daughter tag at home, so you I'm not especially God. I'm not a social media person. Social media person anything. But you man I'm not the person with the point. That makes Sharon fit trust me with so many things. All damn is yet to boy. All do I tell me Sharon man avec Frank Omoruyi. Any ya my. But when it you know with Bobo I will egboma we agbe my people. Anything about bury am come egbon bury Sharon e mo kan bury or say he. So why are you now trying to make it feel like I must be there? I'm so important. How am I even important? Am I even important in the burial? Added the burial. Am I important, my people? Am I important in the burial? So why are they not trying to drag me and put me inside? How so what you can make a burial? How is it my concern? How is it my problem? The only thing I have for my friend is that last respect, because that's the only place Niame TV say a prayer for her that God should forgive her all her sins and accept her in his bosom. You get anything to do with the burial. So why are they making it feel like they very vital? How? In what way? I'm not part of the family. Yeah, I don't imagine anything about the burial. Or somebody go maybe tell anything about the burial. Why they you wear your working so? Let's go, guys.
Supposed to do video. For them to do video, and then they said was doing video. They banned them not to do video, but they themselves.
Madame nous con Frank, we nous zoo, so say Bokana Gwe. That very day, the bros no coordinator, Epa James, what talk Baba. Now I pass for you. And I even talk say you can do short video, you can take pictures, so that at least it will be memory. At least when the children go even see say these people even come their mama service of song. Now say